We'll discuss 12 personal finance facts in this video that you probably didn't learn in school. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to the Financial Tech channel for the future updates. You'll learn all the maths you're capable of learning in school. You will study trigonometry and geometry. They might even teach you some maths. They don't teach you any financial skills though. Sir, never. Differential equations alone will never be able to instruct you on how to manage your finances wisely. Despite our schooling, we have a low level of financial literacy. Only about a third of U.S. states mandate high school students to take a personal finance course. Do you find personal finance intimidating? Many people believe that their education in school was insufficient. It's a good place to start to learn these 12 vital information. You will never adequately learn how to handle your money or make wise financial decisions if you don't get started right away. Many people lack basic knowledge about personal finance. Personal finance, on the other hand, has an impact on every part of life and should be understood by everyone. These are the 12 facts about personal finance you were not taught in school. Let's begin then. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Financial Tech channel for more future updates. Number 12, the average person spends 12 to 18% more when using credit cards. When compared to when paying with cash, people spend between 12 and 18% more when using a credit card. Because they believe they are receiving free money, people don't second-guess their purchases, which is why this happens. To avoid overspending, have cash or a digital wallet close to hand at all times. You can pay for an impulsive purchase with cash and carry on with your regular activities thereafter. Number 11, do you know what interest rate you're paying? In actuality, rates may differ significantly between banks, and more than half of millennials don't know what interest rate they are paying on their credit cards. In actuality, your credit card company may be charging you interest rates for carrying a balance on your card of up to 29% annually if you don't pay attention. If you want to avoid this, do some research on the interest rates provided by several banks before applying. You can end up saving thousands of dollars in the process. Number 10, 33% of college students have made a late payment on a credit card. Despite the fact that it is never enjoyable to make a late payment, 33% of college students have had to do so. If you find yourself in this circumstance and decide not to pay the late fee, you have other options, such as making an online payment through your bank's website or setting up automatic payments through your credit card provider. Number 9, paying the minimum required balance will get you nowhere. Depending on your perspective, it may be a good idea to make the minimum payment due one on your credit card statement each month. However, in practice, it will only worsen the situation. If you don't make a larger payment each month, the basic payments will never be enough to pay off your debt on your own because they hardly cover the interest rate. Number 8, track your credit score to make sure it's good. Your credit score too is one of the most important components of your personal financial life. Therefore, you shouldn't disregard it. To avoid unexpected surprises, establish your budget before you apply for a loan or try to rent an apartment. Track it frequently to make sure it's in good shape. Number 7, stocks provide a 10% rate of return over time. If you're seeking for a safe and successful investment, stocks can be the finest option. According to the S&P 500, stocks have historically provided rates of return of roughly 10% over time, but people prefer to talk about how great the risk is and how they can't afford to lose their money. There aren't many investments that increase this quickly. Number 6, debt isn't inherently bad. Debt isn't always a negative thing, depending on how you manage it. Instead, you might want to consider putting your money in a high-interest savings account because the return would likely outweigh the danger of loan default. There is no doubt, however, about whether borrowing is a sensible decision if you borrow to purchase something that depreciates quickly and is challenging to sell, such as art or jewelry. Number 5, do you know the rule of 72? Because it may be used to predict how long it will take for your initial investment to double in value, the rule of 72 is important. Using basic math, you may determine how much your investment will grow over time. You can calculate the increase in your investment by multiplying 72 by the rate of growth of your funds, which should be compound interest. Number 4, budgeting is crucial for your financial success. We are all aware that it may be challenging to stick to a budget during difficult circumstances, but the reality is that if you don't have a plan in place for how much money you should spend each month and where it should go, you are more likely to overspend. By creating a budget, you may avoid living paycheck to paycheck, which is the case for many people. Number 3, wealth doesn't equate a huge salary. Some people develop wealth while earning less than 6 figures annually by owning their own homes, living within their means, and saving as much money as they can. Number 2, saving isn't investing. We've all heard the adage, saving is good, but if you're not investing, you're missing out on the possibility to see your money increase over time. Saving cash may enable you to create an emergency fund and serve as a safety net in the event of a disaster, such as losing your job. But investing will allow your money to grow. Don't get too down if you don't have any investments. Just change your plan so that you do. Number 1, direct deposits can save you money. You won't even need to wait for your bi-weekly pay to be deposited or visit the bank each time you are paid if you sign up for direct deposits to have everything taken care of immediately. What do you think of our list? Which thing do you like from above list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.